Hello, I'm Natasha Ho. Welcome to The Dish. This is your 2-minute tip to help you cook better food. Today, I was just teaching a class on sauce making to an awesome group of ladies, and one of the questions that came up was about how to avoid getting lumps in your gravy. One of the students, she mentioned she made gravy for Thanksgiving last year. It was her first time making gravy, and she was so proud of the fact that she made gravy, but one small problem, she had lumps in the gravy. So how do you avoid getting lumps in your gravy? That's what I want to share with you today is simple things that you can do to avoid lumpy gravy. The thing to understand what causes lumpy gravy is when you are creating a gravy, you usually need to add a thickening agent, something that will turn that liquid into a nice viscous type of texture that will stick to the outside of your food. So we'll use things like flour or cornstarch to thicken up that liquid. Now, when you add a cornstarch or flour to hot liquid, what happens is the molecules on the outside of that flour will immediately expand, and then you have a little bunch of dried flour stuck on the inside because those outside molecules have expanded and trapped some of the flour on the inside. Now you have lumpy gravy. How do you avoid that? Simply avoid adding the flour or the cornstarch directly into a hot liquid. What you want to do instead is take some of the cornstarch or flour, put it into a small container with cold water, cold liquid, mix that together really well, make sure it's completely dissolved, and then add that into your gravy. And this will help to avoid that moment when the hot liquid surrounds the flour or the cornstarch and creates those lumps inside your gravy. Once it's completely integrated in cold liquid, it'll turn into a nice smooth liquid that you can add into the gravy, and you'll end up with perfectly smooth gravy every single time. That's it for this time. I'll see you next time. Bye.